Hello, guys. I would like to explain how our company works in mobile application development. First of all, we create the application design using Figma and take design approval from the client so that there is no confusion in the future. After the design approval, we start the development process. For development, we use VS Code, where we code using React Native, CLI, with TypeScript to make the application fast, secure, and scalable. For backend development and APIs, we use .NET, Node.js, Laravel, etc., depending on the project requirements. Once the development is completed, the application goes through proper QA testing, and then we share test flight or APK with the client for final testing and feedback. After receiving the client's final approval, we launch the application live. Our company has one clear goal: to understand the client's requirements and deliver the best quality solution. Thank you. Hello, guys. I would like to explain how our company works in mobile application development.